Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our tips and strategies for financial success. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your life: mastering the gig economy. How to consistently earn $3,000 a week. Whether you're looking to leave your 9-to-5 job or simply want to boost your income, the gig economy offers incredible opportunities. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding the gig economy. The gig economy is a labor market characterized by short-term contracts or freelance work, as opposed to permanent jobs. It offers flexibility and the potential to earn a substantial income by leveraging your skills and passions. What is the gig economy? The gig economy encompasses a wide range of work, from freelance writing and graphic design to ride-sharing, delivery services, virtual assistants, and more. Essentially, it's about monetizing your skills and time on a project-by-project basis. Why it's growing. The gig economy is booming due to the increasing demand for flexible work arrangements and technological advancements that enable remote work. More and more people are seeking alternatives to the traditional 9-to-5 grind, and companies are adapting by offering more freelance opportunities. The gig economy is vast and diverse. You can find gigs in various fields, including creative services, tech, transportation, personal services, and administrative support. The key is to find what aligns with your skills and interests. 2. Benefits of working in the gig economy. There are several advantages to working in the gig economy that can make it an attractive option for many people. Flexibility. One of the biggest perks is flexibility. You can choose when and where you work, allowing you to balance other commitments, whether it's family, education, or personal pursuits. Diverse opportunities. The gig economy offers a wide range of jobs and projects to choose from, based on your skills and interests. This diversity means you're not limited to one type of work and can explore various fields. Potential for high earnings. With the right strategy, it's possible to earn a significant income. Many gig workers make well above the national average salary by leveraging high-paying opportunities and optimizing their work processes. 3. Identifying your skills and interests. Before diving into the gig economy, it's crucial to identify what skills you have and what interests you. This will help you find the most suitable and enjoyable gigs. Assess your skills. Start by listing your strengths. Are you good at writing, graphic design, coding, or something else? Knowing your skills will help you target the right opportunities. Explore your interests. Consider what you enjoy doing in your free time and how you can monetize those interests. Passion can drive success, so finding gigs that align with your interests is key. Match skills to opportunities. Research the types of gigs that match your skills and interests. Look for roles that not only pay well, but also offer work you find fulfilling. For finding high-paying gigs, to consistently earn $3,000 a week, you need to find high-paying gigs. Here's how you can do it. Freelance platforms. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find high-paying projects. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Networking. Use LinkedIn and other professional networks to connect with potential clients and showcase your portfolio. Networking can open doors to lucrative opportunities and long-term collaborations. Job boards. Regularly check job boards such as ProBlogger, FlexJobs, and Remote.co for well-paying gigs. These sites list a variety of freelance and remote jobs across different industries. Direct outreach. Don't hesitate to pitch directly to companies and individuals who might need your services. Craft a compelling pitch that highlights your skills and the value you can provide. 5. Setting up your workspace. A well-organized workspace can significantly boost your productivity and help you stay focused on your goals. Create a dedicated workspace. Set up a quiet, clutter-free area where you can work without interruptions. A dedicated workspace helps you mentally switch into work mode and stay productive. Invest in essential tools. Ensure you have a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and any other tools necessary for your gig. The right equipment can make a big difference in your efficiency and output quality. Maintain work-life balance. Establish boundaries to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set specific work hours and take regular breaks to recharge. 6. Managing your time effectively. Time management is crucial when working in the gig economy. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Set clear goals. Define your weekly and monthly income goals. Having clear targets helps you stay motivated and focused on what you need to achieve. Use time management tools. Utilize apps like Trello, Asana, or Google Calendar to organize your tasks and deadlines. These tools can help you keep track of your workload and manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-priority tasks that contribute directly to your income goals. Prioritizing helps you make the most of your time and ensures you're working on the most impactful projects. 7. Enhancing your skills. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive in the gig economy. Invest time in enhancing your skills and learning new ones. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses on various subjects. Taking courses can help you acquire new skills and improve your existing ones. Certifications. Obtain certifications in your field to boost your credibility and attract higher-paying clients. Certifications can demonstrate your expertise and commitment to professional growth. Stay updated. Follow industry trends and updates to stay ahead of the competition. Being knowledgeable about the latest developments in your field can give you an edge. 8. Marketing your services. Effective marketing is essential to attract clients and grow your gig economy business. Create a professional portfolio. Showcase your best work to potential clients. A well-presented portfolio can demonstrate your skills and achievements, making it easier to win new gigs. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote your services. Social media can help you reach a broader audience and connect with potential clients. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable insights and demonstrate your expertise. Content marketing can establish you as an authority in your field and attract clients. Client testimonials. Collect and display testimonials from satisfied clients to build trust and credibility. Positive reviews can reassure potential clients about the quality of your work. 9. Building strong client relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships with your clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Communication is key. Maintain clear and consistent communication with your clients. Good communication helps build trust and ensures you meet client expectations. Deliver quality work. Ensure your work meets or exceeds client expectations. Consistently delivering high-quality work can lead to repeat business and positive referrals. Request feedback. Regularly ask for feedback and use it to improve your services. Constructive feedback can help you grow and better meet client needs. Follow up. Stay in touch with past clients to keep the relationship alive and open up future opportunities. A simple follow-up can remind clients of your services and lead to more work. 10. Scaling your earnings. Once you have a steady stream of gigs, you can focus on scaling your earnings to reach and exceed the $3,000 a week mark. Increase your rates. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Higher rates can significantly boost your income without requiring more work hours. Diversify your income. Explore additional income streams, such as creating online courses, writing the books, or offering consulting services. Diversifying can provide more stability and increase your earnings. Outsource and delegate. As your business grows, consider outsourcing some tasks to other freelancers to manage more projects. Delegating can help you handle a higher volume of work and focus on higher-paying tasks. Expand your services. Offer additional services to existing clients to increase your income. Upselling can be an effective way to boost your earnings with minimal effort. To sum up, mastering the gig economy and consistently earning $3,000 per week is entirely achievable with the right approach and dedication. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on making money online. See you in the next video.